Here we come to the elevators at the West Campus parking garage at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. I'm sorry that I'm using my newer ThyssenKrupp elevator logo because I don't have my older ThyssenKrupp logo with me, but it still means the same thing anyways. But in the meantime, these are ThyssenKrupp Vandal Resistant Impulse from 2003. You're going to get a great view of the entire campus itself, and that light is already dying. 6. Look at this beautiful view of the entire campus. Here's Kyle Field, and that's the A&M Hotel over there. PL. Oh, bell didn't, I don't know if a bell lit up or if it didn't chime. That light bulb's already dying. Except for those lines, but other than that, the view is gorgeous. I'll go for one more ride. That over there, way in the distance, you see right there? That over there, you see, that is Rudder Tower and the Memorial Student Center. All right, we'll go back down. Ooh, look over there. See a sunset over there. Wow, that is beautiful. This is a beautiful view of the sunset. All right, let's go back down to PL. I'm gonna try to get a daylight take tomorrow. Here we are at the main level. See if the bell works. It barely chimes. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.